A major step forward for Turkey's defense industry has once again captured global attention. Through its national aerospace company, Turkish Aerospace Industries, Turkey officially unveiled 3 prototypes of a 5th-generation fighter jet called the KAAN. This ambitious project marks a new chapter in Ankar's efforts to strengthen its military technological independence and strengthen Turkey's position as a major player in the global defense industry. The KAAN, previously known as the TF, is projected to become the backbone of the Turkish Air Force for decades to come. With a gradual operational readiness target of 2026 for the advanced flight test phase, this project symbolizes a significant strategic transformation. TAI is leading this project with the support of various Turkish defense companies, including manufacturers of avionics, radar systems, and engines. The Turkish government views the KAAN not simply as a defense system but also as a catalyst for the growth of the national high-tech industry. One of the main advantages of the KAAN is its stealth design. The fuselage is shaped with special angles to minimize radar reflections or radar cross-section. Weapons are housed in internal compartments to reduce radar, signature, and aerodynamic drag. KAAN is designed using a twin-engine configuration that provides high thrust and maximum stability. In various combat conditions, this jet is targeted for supercruise capability, which means supersonic flight without the need for afterburners in certain situations. The sophistication of the KAAN lies not only in its physical design but also in its electronic systems. The aircraft is equipped with an AESA active, electronically scanned array radar capable of detecting multiple targets simultaneously over long distances. The KAAN also features a sophisticated electronic warfare system. This technology enables the aircraft to jam enemy radar, deceive air defense systems, detect threats early, and activate automatic protection systems. As a multi-role fighter jet, the KAAN is designed to carry a variety of weapons for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Internal compartments maintain stealth capabilities, while external hardpoints can be used when stealth missions are not a priority. One futuristic aspect of the KAAN is the integration of the network-centric warfare concept. The aircraft is designed to connect with combat drones, ground defense systems, and command centers through a secure data network. The simultaneous display of 3 prototypes has strategic significance. In the aerospace industry, the creation of multiple prototypes demonstrates readiness for parallel testing, one for ground testing, one for avionics system testing, and one for advanced flight testing. This step accelerates performance validation, while minimizing the risk of delays in mass production. The initial target stated that the first deliveries to the Turkish Air Force could begin gradually after the intensive testing phase was completed. The ready-to-fly 2026 target does not imply full mass production in that year, but rather readiness to enter the more complex advanced testing and operational validation phase in the development of a 5th-generation fighter aircraft. This phase is crucial because it includes airframe structural and durability testing, weapon system integration testing, interoperability testing with other defense systems, and safety and performance certification. If all stages proceed as scheduled, KAAN will strengthen Turkey's position as one of the few countries capable of developing a 5th-generation fighter jet independently. The presence of KAAN has the potential to change the dynamics of the global fighter jet market, which has been dominated by the United States, Russia, and China. Countries seeking alternatives to the F-35, Lightning II, or other platforms may see KAAN as an attractive option. Turkey itself has demonstrated export success in the combat drone and armored vehicle sectors. If KAAN successfully passes performance tests and achieves full certification, export opportunities will open up, particularly to Turkey's strategic partners in the Middle East, Asia, and Africa. Despite impressive progress, the development of a 5th-generation fighter jet remains challenging. One of the most complex aspects is developing a domestic engine capable of meeting both high performance and efficiency standards. Furthermore, integrating stealth systems with advanced avionics requires precision manufacturing and repeated testing. The enormous development costs are also crucial to the project's sustainability. However, with full government support and the growing experience of the Turkish defense industry, optimism for KAAN's success remains high. But more than just a military project, KAAN symbolizes Turkey's technological renaissance. The program involves thousands of local engineers and technicians, expanding the high-level research and manufacturing ecosystem. The successful unveiling of 3 prototypes simultaneously sends a strong message to the world that Turkey is serious about building its strategic independence with a target of readiness for further flight tests by 2026. KAAN is now on a crucial path towards full operational readiness. If all stages proceed as planned, KAAN will not only be a source of national pride but also a sign that Turkey has entered a new era as a modern aerospace power with indigenous fifth-generation fighter technology. The development of the KAAN is inextricably linked to the geopolitical dynamics of recent years. After being removed from the F-35 Lightning II program, Turkey accelerated its national fighter jet program. This decision prompted significant investment in domestic research, development, and production.